Hi, welcome to my first ever video art lesson in which I am able to show you myself talking and teaching and myself drawing at the same time. I'm so excited. I hope I don't make a mistake, but if I do, no big deal. All right, today we are going to draw one of my favorite animals. It's a chameleon. It's fun to say, it's fun to draw, and they're fun to learn about. Chameleons are reptiles, and they have like this amazing superpower. They can change colors depending on where they are, and I think that would be the neatest trick to have so that you could be, you could protect yourself if you needed to, or you could just express yourself and how you're feeling by changing the way you look. I guess we kind of do that every day, depending on what clothes we wear. That's kind of neat. Here's a picture of a chameleon. Let me see if I can share my screen. Can you see those? Look at the colors and the shapes and the lines. Wow, these creatures are amazing. They have really big round eyes. I don't know if you can see my mouse or not, but look, and look at that tongue. Oh, how funny. This one's blue. Wow, look at all those green colors. And this is like one of my favorite things, one of my favorite shapes. It's a spiral for a tail. Oh, I just love it. I can't wait to draw one. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. I think we're back to this view. We'll see how it goes. Okay, also I wanted to show you that this is inspired by the story, A Color of His Own by Leo Leone. Leo Leone is a really great author and illustrator. That means he did the pictures in the book too. Look at all those wonderful rainbow colors. I just love that. And I think I'll record me reading the story too, if you want to check that out. Okay, that is a very big book, by the way. Okay, so we're going to draw the chameleon using basic shapes and simple steps. You can draw along with me, or you can just watch and then do it on your own as you go. I will save this this file for you so you can have it at your house whenever you want. Make chameleons anytime. Also, you can, I got blurry. You can that got better. Do a chameleon a different way. If you really think that you have a better idea than me, that's totally fine. Just do the best you can, follow along. I'm gonna try to make this not blurry. This looks blurry to me. Okay. Oh, I fixed it. See? Problem solving. It's the best. Okay. So I've got a white piece of paper. Any kind of paper works. And this one is going to be landscape. That means long and wide. Okay. So in the middle of my paper, I'm going to draw a straight line across like that. I want to have space on both ends. Then I'm going to add the top, which is just a big curve from one side to the other, like that. I'm going to use the same shape to make the chameleon's head. I'm just going to turn it on its side. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to curve around like that. And it's okay if it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. We are an imperfect bundle of wow. That's what Mrs. Scott says, and I think that's so cute. Okay, so I did this step, and now I get to make my favorite shape, the spiral tail. Okay, now this is important. Watch this. You need to start your spiral, not here, but it's okay if you do. Try to start it up high on that spot, like right about there. okay? That's where I'm gonna start my spiral tail. Watch, curve down, almost like you're going to make a number 6. But instead of a 6 that touches the other side, you're just gonna keep curving in like that. Kind of like a 6 for sure. Okay, then we go back down to this spot right here, because we're gonna turn this line into a shape. Okay, watch me do that. Start right here, make another spiral, and connect it. It's easier than it looks. All right, then, okay, I just did this one. Then I get to draw that really cool, beautiful, big eye. So I'm gonna draw a big circle. I like to be dramatic with my eyes. And then put a dot, like that. I'm gonna give him a little smile, like that. Okay, and then he has feet, or 4 legs. And they are the cutest little things. They have these like big finger grabbers to grab onto branches, and I love that. So I'm gonna do 4 legs first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna give him those little finger grabbers, like that. It's kind of like a heart shape. Okay, that's pretty fun. Then I can add any details that I want. Like I might draw some little scales because I know he has a reptile body. Yeah, that. And then I could also create from my imagination some details for the background. That's the space around my chameleon. He could be someplace that would be realistic, like in the trees or in a, like a, what do you call those things that they're in when you go to like the zoo or the pet store? Like his own aquarium, but they don't live in water. But maybe yours does. Okay, I'm just gonna do a tree branch. So I'm gonna draw a line like this behind his legs. And then just another branch like that. I'm gonna make that line into a shape. And then just do this. I like drawing. Okay. Maybe there could be like another animal here. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I have an idea. Little bug there. Okay. Anything else you want to add? That's totally up to you. I really like to practice filling in the space when I make my artwork so that there's not any like giant open spots. So maybe I'll just add another cloud over here. Like that. Okay, so I think I'm done with my drawing for now. I really like it. It's just missing one important thing. Yes, you should color your artwork, and it's okay to use crayons or markers, paints, colored pencils. Maybe you have some really cool tools you want to try and just experiment. And don't forget, you can mix up marker art and crayon art. Mix up your art supplies. You don't have to just pick one. So have fun with the coloring. I've actually did a drawing earlier of a chameleon when I was practicing, and I thought I'd show it to you. Are you ready? Okay. I love the idea that the chameleon can change into the things that it is surrounded by. So I have this funny idea about what my chameleon, where he might be and what he might look like. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. He's a rainbow. My favorite color. You know my favorite color is rainbow. All right, boys and girls. Thanks for watching this video. This is the first one. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do finish coloring your art, you should take a picture of that and you should show me, because I really want to see your artwork. I'm going to miss seeing so many of the things you make until we learn how to make that work. We'll see how that goes. Hey, it's the beginning of the year. We'll figure this stuff out. I miss you. Have fun. Be creative. I'll see you next time.